Guys, there are certain times in the market where there are opportunities that we just can't avoid. And right now is one of those times. The fear and greed index is way down, and the risk to a big drop in the market right now for me is not that big. And the option plays that I'm taking right now, I'm going to share with you in this video, are going to make me, I think, double my money, and I want to share those with you. So I think we can do that quickly and without much risk. So in this video, stay tuned. Make sure you hit like and subscribe down below. Download the free options workshop, and we're going to jump into the trades live on the option trading platform. There's 2 earnings trades coming up this week that are huge, that again, long term, these stocks are going to be great. So even if there is a little pullback right now, not going to be a problem with the trades that we're playing, because we just wait a month or two and they're going to skyrocket. So I'm confident. This is not my retirement account, so I don't know about you guys, but what I want to share and work with people on is having a side account, a smaller account that's an option trading account that we can grow huge compared to just leaving your money in the S&P 500. Sure, with my retirement, that's what I do. I have somebody else actually manage that most of the time, or I just leave it in funds. And what I look to do is really grow this option trading account like a business. And right now there's a prime opportunity. So again, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Download that free options workshop. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner. I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research. You're the one taking the risk, and it's all on you. However, I'm sharing with you what I'm doing in this video. So guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you think now is the right time to go long in stocks, or do you think that there's risk of a further pullback in stocks? Let me know right now in the comments below. Let me tell you right now, I think the risk is very limited to the downside from this point. And why now? What's the opportunity in today's market? Well, there's a 10% discount basically on some of these large blue chip stocks. Stocks like Google and Amazon and Microsoft are way down. And these are solid fundamental stocks that over time are going to do great. They've got great assets and liabilities, balance sheets, and their cash flow and income statements are incredible as well. So to me, there's not a big risk in those stocks, and I've got put credit spreads on, but there's 2 strategies right now that I think are primed and where we can really double or triple our gains over the next few months. And that is utilizing LEAPS and poor man's covered calls. And there's a couple of stocks that specifically I'm buying LEAPS in right now. One, I'm buying LEAPS. The other, I'm buying LEAPS and selling a short-term call against it to make a poor man's covered call. So on the risk of a pullback or downside, then I buy more LEAPS and excuse me, and I make money on that short call. So let's jump into those trades right now. I'll tell you the 2 stocks right now. The LEAPS is going to be SoFi, and the poor man's covered call is going to be Robinhood. And with the high volatility and a lot of trading, and yeah, I'm doing a lot of trading too. But hey, to me, share this with your friends. But I think option trading and having a small account on the side that we grow in conjunction with our safely invested retirement accounts is huge. And we can grow this at 100% plus per year and safely make money without risking too much. And again, start small if you're a beginner, and you seasoned option traders, you guys know how to make money in the long term. So let's jump into it. Okay, guys, the first one that we're going to look at that to me is a no-brainer right now. They've got earnings next week. It's SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. If we look here on the on the Yahoo Finance trading website, we can go to the 1 year. You can see right here, just a couple of months ago in January, it was up at 18. It's at 12.88 right now. So big discount. Yahoo Finance has a $13 target for it. Let's look at some of the statistics here. We can see the forward PE is 43 right now. So kind of high, but hey, you go back to Amazon, Google, Meta, they had high PEs as well as they were growing, and they were smaller, and they just kept going. So this is going to be the same. I think SoFi is going to be one of those banks that's like a Bank of America or a Chase. It's just a matter of time. And these guys really are in touch with the younger crowd. We've got an article here. I'm going to show you all the different ways that they're making money. And with interest rate cuts coming later this year, more than one, it's baked in. They're gonna do well, and they've got a good earnings history as well. PEG, price to earnings to growth, is 2.41, so not crazy for this stock right now. So I think it's a huge opportunity. For some reason, the market has not fully accepted that these guys are gonna boom. But you can see the last 3 times earnings beats. They're now profitable. Look at the revenue and the earnings, all moving up. And look at these analysts. There's too many withholds right now. They should all be buying, strong buy. It's crazy to me. But if you see any risk in SoFi, let me know in the comments down below. But I just don't see it. So if we look here, here's an article that just came out a couple of days ago from the Motley Fool. In the 3-year period from 2022, 23, and 24, their membership base has tripled, and they grew from basically no deposits to 26 billion in deposits. And the way that they've done this, they've done it through financial services product per lending product. What does that mean? I don't know, but they've got more products. So they're continually coming out with more products. They're their own bank, so they lend their own money. And then they do services as well. So they sell their loans as well. So they do it both ways. I guess you keep the good ones and you sell the ones that aren't so good. But with the economic uncertainty, the interest rates coming down, the demand for consumer loans, especially mortgages, is low right now. But as that changes, these guys are going to kill it. So should you invest $1,000? I'm investing more than that. Let's go to the Tasty Trade option trading platform. Again, let's look at the fundamentals. They are profitable. Now, this is net income. Hey, I'm sorry about that cough. I don't know. It just came back. I'd gotten rid of it for a long time, and now for some reason it's back. But you can see they're profitable now. These are each year, 2020, 21, 22. They just became profitable. So from here, I think it's going to really take off. You can see their balance sheet, super strong assets, liabilities. So I'm not concerned at all about that. You can see I've got the chart here. This is the 1 year. RSI actually just ticked up above halfway. So not overbought, not oversold. It's fair price, I think, right now. We've got the 50-day moving average in the green, and the red is the 200-day. We're right at that point, right? It looks like trending up, getting ready to break out of it. And to me, this is a perfect setup for a move higher. Let's go to the trade page. On SoFi, what I'm going to do is LEAPS options. I'm going to go out 264 days. I like to at least go out, 260, 280, and then kind of compare the prices at about the 65 delta. So I'm going to look at the 10 strike since we're at 1288. We want to go deep in the money. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right. This is the Tasty Trade option trading platform, one of the best. There's a link down below. There's benefits if you go through my link. We can buy the 10s for $455 and mid price $450. But let's see what else there is. That's January. We can go February. The 10s are $470, so not that much more. So I would tend to lean there. March, the 10s are $480. No brainer. I'm going to go out to March. If we can go longer for the same price, why not? Because it just gives the stock more time to move up and in price. And we're buying, so we want as much time as possible when we're buying options. Here's the 10s for 520 in June, 417 days out. So 520 versus 450, 470, that's like $40 more. Over time, that's nothing. I don't think we need to go out to 2027, but geez, at this rate, I'm going to buy the 417s. So what I would do is click on those for 520. I would up my quantity. Maybe it's $520. If you want to buy one, you can for 520. And just actually 510's the medium price. But if we go to the curve mode right now, this is what I love about this platform. And then you can go on analysis. You can see as we make up our $5 here on the upside with just a $2 or a $10 move. If we get up to $15, we're profitable. And then we make money just like owning 100 shares of stock. So if we get up to this 25 level, which is totally possible, on a $510 investment down here at 25, you can see P&L at expiration. It's like $4,000 right here. That's crazy on a $500 investment. So what is that? That's big. It's not 2x, it's not 3x, it's not 4x. It's almost 10x. It's like 7x, I believe. I don't know. Math majors, let me know. We hit review and send and place the trade. You can also up the quantity. I mean, I've got more than 10 of these option trades on right now, with earnings coming 4/29. Today's Sunday the 27th. So we've got Tuesday, and it's before the bell. So we need to put this on by Monday. And I'm not worried if there is a pullback. I don't think there's going to be a pullback. I think it's going to kill it. So anyway, let me know your comments, what you're doing in SoFi. Okay, guys, here's another stock I love, Robinhood. Great for option trading, actually. I like Tasty Trade, but I need to open an account at Robinhood as well. These guys are killing it right now. You can see the stock price is at 49, target of 58. So that's a 20% upside from where it is right now. It's been up as high as 64 just in February, 2 months ago. If we look at the stats, PE again, in all these good stocks, it's going to be high, especially in low-priced growth stocks. But 36, that's nothing. These guys are going much higher, in my opinion. If you go to the analysis tab, we've got 3 beats the last 3 quarters, and we've got strong buy and buy ratings by the analyst. So if we go on the platform, we punch in Hood in the upper left, and again, I'm going to do a LEAPS. Let's look at January and the 45 call. It's 1455, 1405 mid price. But let's see if we go out further to March, how much the 45 is. It's 16. So 14 versus 16, a couple dollars more. So this is one, unlike SoFi, where it is quite a bit more for, and even for the 45, it's 19 in June. So the options are priced higher further out. So for this reason, I'm going to stick with the January, and I'm going to pick that 45 call, go to the mid price. And in this one, if we go to the curve mode analysis, we see the same type of, this is how LEAPs work, guys. As they go up in price, you make money. But we've got to be careful here because Hood's already had a little bit of a run up right here. So it could pull back right now. And if it does, not a big deal. In a year, I'm confident it's going to be back, test these highs at 65 again that it was just out in February. And in the meantime, I'm in this one definitely putting on the call side, the short call. So in addition to buying that 45 at 1405 mid price, now we could hit review and send and place that, but I'm going to sell a call against it. And because we've got earnings, look right here, 4:30. So that's this week. That's what, Wednesday. I'm going to sell the May 16th. So it's only 19 days out. But if there is a pullback, we make money on the short call side that we're going to sell. So we can sell, and I'm going to be aggressive with this and sell the 50. We can collect almost $400, $390, or $390. We can see that price of that 1,400 going down to 1,000. So we're making $400, and this we're controlling 100 shares for $1,000. Now, how many of these does it take? How many months to cover this $1,000? It takes 2 more like this, 3 more months. If I can cover my LEAPS option in under 6 months, I mean, that's golden to me. You make money on both sides. So if there is a pullback, we keep all this 390, and You can go to the curve mode. You can look at that analysis. Actually, it's not working. All right. It's not working. Worry about that then. But anyway, we'll go to the table mode. $1,000. And we hit review and set and place the trade. But to me, this is a no-brainer trade in Hood. We make money on both sides as it moves higher going forward. And did I show you the fundamentals? I don't think so. There's the income statement, revenue and net income, and then the balance sheet, assets, liabilities. Super solid stock. Let me know if you're trading Hood. All right, guys. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're trading SoFi or Hood. If you've got other stocks that you're trading, let me know as well. Help the community. My goal is to help everybody learn how to use options and leverage and safely make money moving forward. So do me a favor, share this with a friend. I think we can grow a side account huge, and now is the perfect time to do it in this market. Remember to hit like and subscribe, download the free options workshop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.